Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Nomad Pod Pro for the Apple Watch. I'm pretty excited about it. We don't like intros here, so let's get right in. I think it's actually going to fit very well, especially when I'm going traveling, visiting family out of state and things like that. I actually use a dock as is for my phone and Apple Watch, and it's really kind of a pain, to say the least, to unhook it at home and take the whole dock with me. And I think this will be much simpler than that. And it has if you want to see more stuff from me, go ahead and smash that like button, go ahead and subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see from me in the future. Would you want more unboxing kind of things, or would you like to see something else from me? Let me know, because I would love to make some more videos. That's all we got for today, so we will see you next time. Bye.